We have cloud architect, $133,726 a year. So there's a lot of six-figure opportunities.
I hope y'all ready. I am.
Do you like the pay of a cloud engineer? Hello. My name is Marc Drouinaud Jr. If you're new here, I do cyber-related videos. So, cloud engineer, what is it? What are the skills? How much do they make? I'm going to cover it, and we're going to talk about it right now. So, this is courtesy of Coursera. So, a cloud engineer is an IT professional that builds and maintains cloud infrastructure. Cloud engineers can have more specific roles that include cloud architecting, which is designing cloud solutions for organizations, development, which is coding for the cloud, and administration, which is working with cloud networks. Cloud technology has become ubiquitous. You're not gonna win that battle. Ubiquitous in recent years. In fact, you probably use cloud-based technology frequently in your everyday life, watching TV or listening to music on your favorite streaming services, using an online email platform, or backing up your phone pictures to the internet is all possible due to cloud technology. For a company, it means data can be stored and backed up more easily. Software updates can be rolled out on demand, and customers may be able to access their information from different devices. As a cloud engineer, you'll work behind the scenes to keep it all running. So here's about cloud engineer salary and job growth. A cloud engineer makes an average salary of $109,974 in the US as of June 2021, which is the latest from Glassdoor. Cloud engineers with little previous experience can expect a salary of $97,500, while cloud engineers with strong skills can earn around $163,000 a year, reports by Robert Half Technology's 2021 salary guide. Cloud computing is also a field that is expected to grow in the next decade as companies continue to adopt cloud technology. The ability to work with cloud technology is one of the most in-demand skill sets in 2021, along with cybersecurity and database management. So what does a cloud engineer do every day? A cloud engineer's role can look fairly different depending on the company they work for. My role as a strategic cloud engineer at Google is to help Google Cloud customers to architect and build systems on the Google Cloud platform. Ben Miller says of his role, "I offer systems design, product guidance, and education regarding best practices in GCP. I also work with Google Cloud product teams to improve GCP and our customers' experiences." A cloud engineer's day-to-day task might include helping organizations migrate their computer systems to the cloud, configuring cloud infrastructure components like networking and security services, creating the applications and databases that perform on the cloud, monitoring cloud management and data storage services. So it's good to develop these relevant skills. IT jobs that can have cloud-related tasks include systems engineer, network engineer, and database administrator. If you are already in an IT role, keep an eye out for these opportunities to grow in these areas. So let's talk about cloud platforms. It's generally recommended that you learn one cloud platform well instead of having minimal knowledge of several. By market share, the four largest cloud infrastructure providers are Amazon Web Services, Microsoft's Azure, Google Cloud, and IBM Cloud, okay? Much of what you learn in one cloud platform may be transferable to another with slight variations. Data storage and security. So let's talk about that. How to access, store, and protect data are each an important part of a cloud worker. Let's talk about networking. Having knowledge of networking basics and virtual networks will be useful in integrating networks with cloud services. Programming. Common languages used in cloud computing may be Python, Java, Golang, or Ruby. Let's talk about operating systems. You should have a strong understanding of operating systems such as Windows, which I use, and Linux. So here's certain things about the cloud engineer career path. If you have a bachelor's degree in computer science or a related field, you may be able to land an entry-level cloud engineering position. That's not the only path you can take, however. Many cloud professionals get their start in IT positions that include concepts used in cloud work. These can be jobs like systems engineer, network engineer, DevOps engineer, and database administrator. From there, you might become a cloud engineer or cloud administrator. Cloud engineers can go on to more specialized roles like cloud architect. If you are curious, this is how much it varies, right? If you're curious, this is how much various cloud professionals make in the US, right? So I'm about to hit you guys with it, all right? Are you ready? We have cloud administrator, $75,817. We have a year. We have cloud network engineer, $86,178 a year. We have cloud systems engineer, $95,980 a year. AWS cloud engineer salary, $101,209 a year. We have Azure cloud engineer, $101,590 a year. We have cloud DevOps engineer, $101,281 a year. Cloud software engineer, $107,263 a year. We have Google cloud engineer salary, $107,324 a year. We have data cloud. We have cloud data engineer, $113,184 a year. We have cloud architect, $133,726 a year. So there's a lot of six-figure opportunities in being a cloud engineer or a related employing field similar to that involves these kinds of skills. So let me know what you think. Do you think I've covered all aspects of skills required to be a cloud engineer? Do you like the pay of a cloud engineer? I want to say I appreciate your viewership. I love you. I appreciate you. Please be safe. Please hit the notification bell. Please hit the subscribe button. I love you. You part of the hack pack. You part of the hack pack. Let me know. Let's get the conversation started in the comment section.